XRP is doing magic right now. If you bought XRP as at last year, by now you should know what you have in your wallet. All right, so don't buy any coin else except I show you this coin that you want to buy. And please, you have to stay to the end of the video, because at the end of this video I will mention to you at least 5 altcoins that is doing magic now, or that is going to do magic in the next season to come. We all know that we are now in the bull run season, so please do not buy any coin until you watch this video.
You can really stand and say yes. If you want to buy XRP, it is profitable to actually buy XRP. So as you can see, XRP here, this is 30 days growth, right? As you can see, XRP has done 72%. As you can see clearly here, 72.20%. And then Bitcoin, which is the giant crypto, has done just 16%. Ethereum has done 64%. All right, so you have other coins like this one, Dogecoin, that has done 77%. But I'm talking about XRP, which is the senior altcoin that I can actually recommend. XRP is doing well, better in the market. This is CoinDex, right? So let's go and check other cryptocurrency like CoinGecko and see if the traffic, or if the result, or the analysis is actually the same. So this is XRP here, and as you can see, in 24 hours it has already done 3.4%, right? In 7 days it has already done 22.1%, and then in 30 days over here it has done 67.8%. So when you compare the rate of growth from XRP to that of Bitcoin, you will see for sure that XRP is doing well on the long run. All right, so I will say XRP is not just a hype. All right, XRP, it's a coin when you hold. If you are with me on this, if you are holding XRP for the past 1 year, you'll be in massive profit now. I think before now, I actually said so on my community that you can buy XRP last year, and those that bought, for sure, they are in massive profit now. All right, they are in massive profit now, and it's not something to regret about, right? So now the chart of this is the chart of 24 hours, right? As you can see here, this is a massive growth of XRP. So let's check for the chart of 1 year. Let's see if you bought XRP for like 1 year ago. Let's see where you're going to be now. Let's see where you're going to be. All right, as you can see, this is January 2025. This is November, right? This is November 2nd last year, that is 2024. So this is where the spike took off from. As you can see, November last year, XRP was 0.5 cent, right? It was just 50 cents. This is 51 cents, sorry. It's just 51 cents as at last year. As at last year, XRP was 51 cents, guys. But you can see what is happening here. Here we have a spike. We have a spike. We have a dip. And then now we are talking about July, right? This is July. So XRP is $3.56 as at today, when I'm screen recording this video. So just imagine you have XRP of about $100 as at last year November. For sure, you will definitely be making a lot of huge profit right now. So XRP is still going higher. All right, so I will not want anyone to panic about XRP. According to the market analysts and experts, and they have said that the bull run is something. When you talk about altcoin bull run, it normally happens, like I explained, when the price of the market consolidates for Bitcoin, which is the giant crypto. So when you see something like that, have it in mind that XRP, like altcoin, are going to do what? Have a bull run. So remember, I said at the end of this video, I'm going to list out to you like 5 altcoin that you can invest in, right? 5 altcoin, because for sure we are expecting a bull run on altcoins, right? So which XRP is not excluded. So since XRP is not excluded, don't forget the other altcoins, including Solana and the rest of them, are going to be in the bull run season. All right, so I'm just going to list out 5 coins that you can buy and hold during this bull run season. You can buy it now and hold it during this bull run season, and then when I list them out, it now depends on you. And don't forget, cryptocurrency is not a guarantee that you must make profit. All right, but according to analysis from experts, that is how we invest and we make money. So cryptocurrency, also, you should know it is risky. But if you want to take this risk, you can go ahead and take it while you invest in what's it called, in altcoins. All right, so I'm just going to scroll through and then mention some of them. Like I said, if you want free crypto signals, you can check the description of this video and be part of my Telegram community. It's free. We drop signals every day for you to trade on the cryptocurrency market. So be free and do that. And if you want videos like this, don't forget you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, guys, so the number one altcoin that you can definitely invest in is called Filecoin. All right, Filecoin. So you can buy that Filecoin and hold. The number two is Solana. Right, we know Solana and we know how its potential is. Solana is also growing rapidly, very high, and it's something also you can invest in. And then number three is XRP, which is the Ripple, like you know. Number four is the Aptos coin, APTOS. That is number four. And then number five, you can go for the Pepe coin, PEPE. Right, so these are altcoins that you can just hold and buy and hold, and definitely, since we are expecting the bull run, we are definitely going to make profit. All right, guys, on my next video, I'm going to mention some other coins that you need to buy and hold also. All right, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then expect more videos like this in the cryptocurrency scene and in the make money online scene. Thanks, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.